utility operations, search and rescue, drug interdiction, and anything else the Canadian government may call upon the helicopter and its crew to perform. Today's helicopter and crew are visiting us from Patricia Bay, British Columbia. Internationally, the CH-148 Cyclone has been involved in multiple deployments with NATO around Europe and deployments throughout the Pacific in support of the UN and other organizations. The CH-148 Cyclone has also participated in international exercises such as the RIMPAC, Joint Warrior, and Trident Junction. It's also provided support in Newfoundland during the 2020 snowstorm. Look at how Captain Ben Godan very gently pirouettes the Cyclone down the shoreline. Of course, when you're flying a helicopter, you're using both hands and both feet, just like a drummer. One hand is on the stick to control pitch and roll. The other hand is on the collective to control power. And your 2 feet are on the rudder pedals to control yaw. Look at as he goes down the shoreline, just maintaining that precise altitude right down the shoreline. Again, you're watching the CH-148 Cyclone from Patricia Bay, British Columbia. This is called the Towering Climb, folks. CH-148 Cyclone has a maximum weight of 29,300 pounds and is powered by two 2,700 horsepower turboshaft engines. It is capable of carrying